What up, guys? So for those out there who don't have a mortgage, you might feel like, you're at a disadvantage because you paying rent and it's not reporting on your credit report. But this is a bill that you've been paying steadily for X amount of years and you wanted to report. Well, guess what? There's a way for you guys to report it, and I'm going to show you exactly how right now. All right, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to report your rent history to boost your credit score, okay? A lot of people might feel like they're at a disadvantage because they don't have a mortgage and they pay rent, but rent doesn't report on your credit report, right? Well, guess what? What if I told you there were two sites out there that would allow you to report your rent, and not only the rent that you're paying currently, all of your past rent as well, right? So let's just jump right into it. So there's two sites, and I'm going to start with the one that I personally use is Rental Kharma, okay? So let me just go down and show you how it works. All right, so this is the pricing right here. So it's a $50 setup fee, and then it's $9 a month, right? So every single month that I pay rent, it's going to report on my credit report, right? And guess what? When you do the $50 fee, they're actually going to they can report up to 6 months of back rent. So all the rent that you paid in the last 6 months, now it's going to be reported on your credit report. But if you want to take it a step further, you can pay $60 one time and get, I think, back to 2 years reported, okay? And if you have a spouse or somebody else that you want to help build up their credit as well, you can add them on for $25, okay? That's one time. So this is very, very crucial for anybody who's looking to build their credit report and they pay rent and it's not reported. You need to get it reported, right? Now, I believe Rental Kharma only reports to TransUnion, which is why I say if I knew about this site that I'm about to show you guys next, I would have went with this one first, but I'm going to go to it now. All right. So this is an easy way for you to boost your credit score up tremendously, right? And if you guys need any more help learning how to fix your credit, or just need some advice, you can do a number of things. You can head over to my Instagram at Mikel Bennett, send me a DM, and we can talk about different things that I got going on that might be able to help you out, or I can just answer some questions for you. Make sure that you put notifications on my Instagram because I will be dropping more content. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Because then you're also going to be getting notifications when I keep dropping all of this valuable content on fixing, building, and leveraging your credit like a boss, okay? So my name is Mikel Bennett. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Check it out.